right. So I can see some sevens. I can see some sevens. I can see some sevens. All right. So myself and the other people managing the HFX Arena had a discussion yesterday, and looking at the fact that we decided to do a reshufflement with the system itself, because we were having some issues with some of the educators in terms of payment remission, because of the weekly subscription. So we decided to scrap out the weekly subscription. So we currently have monthly, quarterly, and annually. So we decided to, agreed decision was to let everybody and anybody have access to the VIP Telegram group from now to the end of the month. That is 29th. That's the Friday of the month. So you can make some money, get some money, and eventually resubscribe. So everybody that do not have the membership activated will be removed before the 1st of August, before the 8 a.m. session. So please be serious with this. Be serious with it. Do not lose your profits. I realize that most people, what they do is, let me turn down this. Let me turn down this so you can hear me properly. Yes, your subscription is still valid. You didn't check your, what's it called? A message was sent to you because I instructed that the admin sent out those that still have valid subscription. You have extra than, the other guys, because your subscription is still valid till at that time. So if you check your message, I think she sent to your message, that's your Telegram message. Confirm that, and log into your dashboard, guys. Everybody, you can log into your dashboard to check to see your current due dates. You can log into your dashboard, check to see your current due date, due date. But yeah, that is what it is now. So everybody has some free time. So please, I want you guys to take advantage of this. What we'll be doing going forward on my session, majorly, I will be teaching you guys the Tradingview strategy. That's technical analysis. I want everybody to take this opportunity seriously. Join all sessions you need to join. Give yourself a trading target. There is someone here, she's been making good profit in recent times because she has a target. Discipline. If I do 4 on 0, I'm not trading again for the day. If I clear 4, lose, take no lessons, I'm not trading again. Give yourself a target. Every single day, I want to make $50. Every single day, I want to make this amount. You meet your target, you leave the market. Guys, there needs to be this discipline. There needs to be this discipline. You need to discipline yourself. It's one of the things that will help you. It's one of the things that will help you. So, guys, let's not waste this opportunity. It will be painful that people do not make enough to be able to subscribe for the next subscription. It will be painful. So please, I beg you guys, do not waste it. Do not waste it. I beg you guys, do not waste it. Do not waste it. All right. So I'll go ahead. Please, I want everybody to log into their Tradingview. If you have Tradingview, log into your Tradingview. I want to show you guys the indicators I use. This is the indicator I've been using for the past 2 years, and it still works for me till today. Yeah, I have another strategy. That strategy is paid, but this is free. So I'm going to teach you how you can set up your Tradingview just like this. So guys, please, if you have your Tradingview, please log on to your Tradingview, log on to your Tradingview. I want to teach you how you can set up your Tradingview just like this, because we need everyone. For instance, now I noticed something this morning. I didn't join the 10 a.m. or the 7 a.m. I just joined to take number of people that are on the session, or this 6 a.m. I didn't join to take any trades. I just joined to see the number of our members that were on the session. That's why I joined to see. And when I took stock, I left. So I realized that some people came back to me afterwards, because the official score that I was told was 4 on 1, but some people had 3 on 4, 3 on 3, 3 on 5. So it didn't make sense to me. If the official score is 4 on 1, how are we going to be having 3 on 4 or 3 on 5? So I realized that some people do not, okay, like for instance, someone also had 4 on 0 on the 6 a.m. session. Why? Because the same thing that the educator was calling aligns with the strategy that he uses, and it worked. So he had 4 on 0. So he more like double confirm what the educator was saying. Guys, are you following me? Can you feel me? Are you following me? If you're following me, please put some 777. Everybody. I need to be sure everybody's following me. We're going to do more of educating on this session. We're going to do more of educating on this session. I need everybody to respond. I need everybody to respond. Everybody. Yeah, so he got 4 on 0. Even the educator had 4 on 1, but he got 4 on 0. Why? Because the strategy, when the educator was calling out the trade ideas, he double confirmed with his strategy to be sure that, okay, it works with my strategy. And that was how he took it. So the ones that didn't work with the strategy, he did not take them. So that's the reason why I want everybody to learn the technical analysis. It would be better for you. It would help you. It would help you, please. So I want us to log into our TradingView if you have. And if you don't have, this is recorded. You can go back to watch this recording. I'm currently recording this session. You can go back to watch this recording if you don't have. Oh yeah, somebody's asking about Bernard. He traveled actually, and he couldn't join the sessions. That's why. I mean, Bernard is good. It's good. Thanks for asking. I had to reach out to him myself because I didn't see him around. So he traveled and he said he's going to be back. When he's back, he will continue trading. That he's not able to trade where he is right now. So yeah, that's Bernard. All right, guys. So I believe we're all logged into our TradingView. If you log into your TradingView, you would see a blank TradingView. If you just signed up, I want to take off all my indicators. I'll take everything off. So when you sign up on TradingView, this is what you're going to have. Right? So when you do this, the first thing you want to do is come to these indicators. You need to come to these indicators. The first thing you want to do is come to these indicators. Are we all following me, please? I believe we're all doing it. Please. I believe we're all doing it. Open your TradingView. Okay, you know what? Let me go back to the home page. So I'll start again from beginning. Let me go back to the home page. So I'll start again from beginning. Now, when you log into TradingView, this is what you get, right? Now, what you want to do is click on product. Hover on product, then click on chart. You hover on product, click on chart. Now, when you click on chart, it brings you to this place. Now, go ahead to close my indicators. So you have, this is what you should have, right? So the first thing you want to do is click on indicators, and you need to search for Ivankabra strategy 2, right? What you want to do is, I'll write that out on the, what's it called? On the chart. So let me just look for it. This is it here. I'll send that on the chart. Ivankabra binary strategy 2. This is it here, guys. Ivankabra. This is it. This particular one, right? Just click on that one. You can add it as favorite. You can favorite it with this button. So that's the first thing. It is by L.E. Muel or something. Do we get this first one? Ivankabra binary strategy 2.
Yes.
Yeah, it's recorded. This session is recorded. I'm recording this. So let me write the first indicator out. The first thing you need to go and search for on indicators. I'll write it out now. So that's the first thing. Now, when you get that, you just double click on it, or double click on it. It will be added. It will be here. So now once it's added, it will be here, and you will see it. You see it like this. So this is what draws the red line, the what's it called, green line. Then it has the trend line. It has the Bollinger Bands. So now what I did was I double click this. Then I come to style. This is it. Ivan Cabra strategy 2. I come to style and just change the different things to colors that I want. So for me, this 200 EMA, the EMA 200 line, that is the trend line that tells you the market is going upward, the market is coming downward. Now, mine is purple. You can change your own to any color, either black. Whatever you change it to, it will be what is there. But I use purple for mine. I use purple for mine. So you can change that. Now, plot 1, this is plot 1. Plot 1 is the lower Bollinger Band. Is the lower Bollinger Band. So is the Bollinger Band you see below, I mean, the lower ones, there are 2 Bollinger Bands. This is the first Bollinger Band. This is the second one on the lower part. On the top part, this is the first one. This is the second one. So I use this to indicate it. You can even leave the default one. All you can you just really need to do is just change your 200 EMA. Are we following, guys? Are we following? Then can you see buy indicator and sell indicator? I made my own green and red. Green and red. Guys, are we following? You just didn't show the lines. It didn't show the lines. It's meant to show the lines. See what I did? When I imported this indicator, I double clicked on it. Then I come to style. This is visible. This is style. This is input. So input should be default. Input should be, though I think it's default. I don't think I changed all this what's it called. But if you change it, this is like the input, the width, how thick it will be. So, but just style, basically, you don't need to just change your style. Make sure you change the 200 EMA so you can know the trend line and you can see the buy and sell indicators. Those are basic 2 things you need to just work on. Did you get that now, Victory? Is it clear? Is yours showing now?
So it's not.
So if it's not showing, right? If it's not showing, click at the top. You see an icon like setting icon. When you click on that setting icon, what is showing on the screen will show.
All right. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So you can do that. You can do that. Or you double click. Me, I just double click. So whichever one. Do we get it now? Okay, the default style is same there. Good, good, good. So that's it. That's the first indicator I use. Then the second indicator I use is this DMI stock. DMI stock. DMI stochastic. All you just want to do is come back to indicators and look for it. This is it here. DMI stock by tracks. DMI stocks by track. So look for it. I'll write it out as well on the chart. Now, what it does for me is it shows me the up arrow or down arrow. This market will be good. It will show the check mark and the up arrow and down arrow, either for a sell or a buy. Right. Let me write it out. DMI stock. DMI stochastic. So please input that one as well. Input that one as well. Then the next thing I use, because you can only add 2 indicators on your free trading view. If not, you can add more. The next thing I use is cash trap. No, you can add 3, right? You can't add more than 3 to tell you to make payment to have more. So, but this 2 is good here. Now, the next thing I use is cash trap. It's cash trap. This is it here. So my cash trap has stochastic, RSI, and momentum. Stochastic is the first one, RSI and momentum. You might just do some settings to make it look like my own, but I will show you how. So all you come to do again is indicator. look for cash trap oscillator 2.0. That is what I use. Cash trap oscillator 2.0. This is it here. So that's the third indicator I use. So once you import that in, what you want to do is click on these settings. Abu found it. Abu found it. Did we get it? Did we get it? Did we get it? Did we get it? Let me know in the chat. Did we get the cash trap oscillator 2.0? You see my screen looking like a Juju Calabar. Don't worry, you will get it. You will get it. You get it. Did you guys get the cash trap? Have you imported the cash trap? I got it, but scattered. Yes, we're going to arrange it. So what you want to do is drag this one down. See, it can be as high as this. You need to drag this one down. So it stays in just a portion, just stays at a portion. You can't see the oscillator on yours. Just come to indicators and search it. It's there. It's a free. It's free. It's free. Just go there, search it. Guys, only 2 people are responding. Are we doing this or we are not? So we'll just go ahead to trade. If you don't want it, let me just go ahead to trade. I'm only getting response from 2 persons. I'm only getting response from 2 persons. Are we all doing this? Are we doing this? All right. All right. Good. So you just come here and search. Come here and search. Come here and search. Cash trap oscillator 2.0. Yeah, there's 3.0 right now, but 2.0 still works. But the 3.0 is paid. Oh, I think cash trap is no longer free. Okay, guys, use this one. Leave the 2.0. Use this one. Use this one by GN Fontes. Use this one. That's the only one that is available right now. The other cash trap is paid. So use this one. Cash trap oscillator HFX. Let me write that out. Oscillator. I didn't know that one is out. So that's what it is. The truth is, these guys make indicators, they build indicators, list it out for free, list it out for free. When it's working and it's working, they monetize it. It's just what it is. So, but you can use this, it still give you the same thing. So remove whichever one you've used, whichever cash trap you used before, remove it to use this one. Remove it to use this one. Remove it to use this one.
How do we remove it, please?
Just go ahead and remove. Just see what you do. You just come here and click this button, remove, and it will remove.
Oops. It's kind of. You know, we don't have these same settings on our phone.
Oh, using your phone, you need to set it up on your computer before it would work on your phone, right? So you need to set it up on your computer.
Okay.
Yeah. The session is recorded. It's recorded. So once you have that, what you want to do now is come to settings. Now, this setting, you might need to do this setting. I did the setting myself because what is there is quite different. It's quite different. What is there is quite different. Tradingview is a website that has a mobile app, right? Tradingview is a website that has a mobile app. Are we all together, guys? Can we see the settings? Can we see the settings? All right. So I guess people are getting it. Can we see the settings? Stochastic, I use black. Overbought, when it's overbought, I use the red line. Oversold, green line. RSI, black. Stochastic K, black. Stochastic D, black. Now, the banda superior, green. That's RSI banda superior, stochastic banda superior, green. RSI banda inferior and stochastic banda inferior, red. Now, RSI, I don't use this fondo, but I use stochastic fondo. So if you can just snap this and implement it on your own. If you can snap this and implement it on your own, that would be good. Let me know when we are done. Let me know when we are done so we can. Let me know when we are done so we can go ahead. Let me know when we are done so we can go ahead. Did we get this? Did you get this? Are we good? The reason why stochastic and RSI is important is because it gives you a go ahead even when these guys are set. So see what that DMI stochastic does. Can you see? It will show you an upward arrow. See, this guy is ready to go up. So it gives you another confirmation. That's why I use it as well. So are we good? Are we good? Let me know in the chat if we're good. Let me know in the chat if we're good. Let me know in the chat if we're good. Let me know in the chat if we're good. Okay. Just found your cash traps. It's morning. Okay. All right, go ahead. All right, implement it. Let me go back to the settings. Can you just snap these settings, please? So we can go ahead to learn how to use it. You can snap the settings. Basically, just the style. Also, guys, I want to urge us to always read the emails. When emails are sent out, read the emails. Some people don't read the email. You see an email that details how you go about it. You'll still be coming to my own day. Well, I don't answer anybody anymore. Everybody should go ahead and DM the admin. The admin is collecting money. So the admin's job is to do the information dissemination. Yeah, you can just confirm with me. But let's try to read emails. If email comes, I'll read it. Someone just sends me a message now, and the person is asking, saying, I got the free period email, but how do I join the VIP? That thing is there. So sometimes it could be somehow when people ask you such questions, but we're just going to have to provide support for everybody. So please, let's try to read emails. Then also, when it comes to your subscription, log into your account and check what it is. You can log into your account, your HFX Arena account, see your current, or what's it called? Your current date. So you know. Yeah, even though you're going to get email on the day your subscription is expired, but you should know because you should check as well. All right, that's by the side. So guys, are we? Say again.
Excuse me, sir. I wanted to find out for people that are not yet like subscribed or paid at all.
You're really so low. I really cannot hear you. Say again.
I wanted to find out, sir, for people that didn't like pay for the subscription, but they wanted to join, does this free period apply to them to increase their interest per se?
Anybody that joins now, your subscription, we're regularizing everything to begin 1st of August. all the dates will begin 1st of August, except people that have their subscription above, after that date, and the next subscription date is 5th. So our subscription is 1st of the month, 5th of the month. So we are doing that to help us regularize the payment. So if you have people that wants to join in, they can join in now, take advantage of it. They wouldn't need to pay any subscription. Once they sign up, they will get that email, they join in. But once it is 1st of the month, all those that don't have an active membership will be removed from the group. So they won't see the link. And the links are going to be changed every single day. So it's not like when you have the link, yesterday's link, you think it will work for tomorrow's link. Now the link will be changed every day. So if you have people that wants to come in, they can come in. It's okay. Take advantage of the, what's it called? But from 1st, whoever doesn't have an active membership will be taken out. All right. Then also, Victory, just maybe you're bringing in 2 people, you have your next month subscription free. So just note that the 2 and free is still on and is valid. The 2 and free is still on and is valid. So just guide them to join. Once they join, let us have their email, send to the admin the email that they joined with, the email they signed up with. Once those 2 people joins and they have an active membership, you will have your next month subscription for free. And good thing, your subscription ends on the 5th, I guess. Yours end on the 5th. So if they sign up before the 1st of the month, before your subscription ends, you will have your next month subscription free. So the 2 and free is still valid, guys. It's still very much valid. You sign up 2 people, you get your next month subscription free. All right. So guys, let's move on. I believe everybody has snapped this and we've set up our cash trap already. Let me know if you have. If we are good to go to the next thing, please let me see 777. If we are good to go to the next thing, let me see 777, guys. If we are good to go to the next stage or the next thing, let me see 777. All right. You want to reduce the cash trap look, it's too big, okay? It's too big. All you want to do is, you see this line here, you want to draw it up or you want to draw it down. So you can do it this way, you can do it this way, just draw it up and down. That's it, it's just to reduce the size, right? This one here, this is the line here, this is the line. This is the line. Do we get that? Do we get that? So I believe we're good. Yeah, it's recorded. Don't worry, it's recorded. You go back to watch it. We're doing this so everybody knows how to reconfirm zones called by educators. Right. So that's that. So now let's see how to, okay, here, let me show you guys here, this panel here. This panel here. All you want to do is click on this plus. You click on this plus, you come to Forex. Click on this plus, come to Forex and search the currency. Euro USD. Please use O and A. O and A. O and A is same with our broker. O and A then FXCM. They are usually same with our broker, but Forex.com sometimes is not. So FXCM, O and A. All you just do is click plus and they'll be added here. Right. So when you're looking for a currency and you don't have it here, all you want to do is click on this plus icon, come to Forex and search for the currency, CHF, JPY. Then you click the plus icon, it will be added here. Do we get that? The way I arrange my own, you see, I just did this. I clicked on this and add section. So when I click add session, I can now rename the session to say USD. I just arrange mine in a way that I would have all the USD on one place, have all the euro pairs on one place. So you can just do that by clicking on this icon, click on add session, add the session, rename it, then drag. You can drag the currency to the session that you want it to be. Does that make sense, guys? If it makes sense, please put sense in the chat while we go ahead. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? We've spent 40 minutes already. So let's look at some trades. 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 All right, guys, my rules are still my rules. My rules are still my rules, right? The first thing I want to do is come to the news. It is important. It is important. It is important. Forexfactory.com. Now we see that there is bank holiday on Euro, right? I would not trade Euro except I see the difference in currency strength is so much. It messes people up. It is not coincidence. It messes people up. There is French bank holiday on Euro. So you need to be very careful with Euro. Now, that's Euro. Let's see. USD has news at 1:30. We're not going to be in the market at that time. So that's okay. All right. Now, the next thing I do is look at the currency strength, livechart.co.uk. Livechart.co.uk. The currency has been really flipping. If you check this morning as I did, USD was the strongest at some point. Now it's 4 bars. But so what I do is I also validate the currency strength. Now I see Euro, GBP, USD are strongest. AUD, JPY, CHF, NZD, CAD are weakest. But if they are correlating with FinViz, then I will trade that. Just a double confirmation for me. I used to use a third confirmation, but it's really not necessary. Now, the third confirmation, just to let us know, in case you want to be extra sure, currencystrengthmeter.org. Now, here, USD is the strongest, AUD is the second. So I can trade USD, AUD because they are the strongest here. Euro, I'm not trading Euro because of the news. Okay, AUD is even weak, so I'm not even trading AUD, right? USD is, so I'm trading USD. USD is fine. USD is fine here. USD is fine here. Now, let me see currencystrength.org. USD is fine here. So USD is strongest everywhere. Sorry. One second, guys. People have gotten used to me, but I'm also doing support now. I want to send out something to somebody. Okay. All right. So guys, we are good with USD, right? Now the next thing I check, what am I trading against? I'm trading for USD. I want to trade against JPY. JPY is weak. Now let me see JPY here. JPY is weak here. CAD is weak. CHF is weak. So I can trade USD, NZD, CHF. I can trade against NZD, CHF, CAD. Remember, for me, what I do is the difference of the 0.20 at least before I go into it. So NZD, CHF, CAD, JPY, I can trade against all this. So USD against any of these. Now let me confirm JPY, CAD, CHF, and NZD are weak as well. Here, let me see. See, NZD, AUD, CHF, NZD, JPY, CHF, they're all weak. So I can trade against them. To validate again, let me see what currency strength meter has. So JPY, weakest. So USD JPY is alignment, is in alignment. USD JPY is in alignment. CAD is also in alignment. CHF is also in alignment. So I can trade USD JPY, I can trade CHF, USD CHF, I can trade USD CAD. Can you see AUD is not in alignment? AUD is strong here. AUD is strong here. And this guy says AUD is weak. So that's how I get what I am trading. Guys, does this make sense? If it makes sense, let me see some sense in the chart. Let me see some sense in the chart before we go ahead. Let me see some sense in the chart. Let me see some sense. Let me see some sense. So yeah, but the honest truth is some educators, they trade against the trend and it works for them. But me, I don't. It doesn't work for me, right? It has never worked for me. So, and one thing with trading is stick to your strategy. If you're going to change your strategy, you will lose for some time before you balance up. I don't know why it's like that, but that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. So my strategy is still my strategy, right? So I'm trading for USD, I'm trading against JPY, I'm trading against NZD, I'm trading against CHF. Now I come to my trading view. First currency that I want to analyze, USD JPY. Can you see it's on an uptrend? Can you see our 200 EMA is moving up? progressive uptrend. That is a good market. A good market, progressive uptrend. Let me put it on the 1 hour timing. Let me see what happened in the 1 hour timing. On the 1 hour timing is uptrend. On the 15 minutes timing, let me see. It's also uptrend. Right. So I am good with this market. Right. Let me analyze and pick where I want to enter the market. So what we do is you move to the daily candle, you change to the daily. Since it's on an even daily is uptrend. Since it is an uptrend, all I'll do is I chart the bottom because it's an uptrend. Remember the rule says you buy the floor of an uptrend and you sell the ceiling of a downtrend. Because it's an uptrend, I am buying the floor. So I'm charting the floor. So what I just do is I draw a rectangular line and I do that with Alt H. I press Alt on my computer and H. Then I change it to green. Now I change it to, I do that for the current day and the previous day, but there's no need because it is far apart. So you do that for the current day. Now you move to the hourly. Now on the hourly, can you see where the current day was? Now let's see where hourly is. Can you see it's so far? So we might not have the luxury of time to wait. So, but for the hourly, can you see where it is? I will chart the week. This is where it reacted. I chart the week and the body. Chart the week and the body of the current hour. Now, the previous hour, I also chart the week and the body. So hour is important for us, guys. Hour is important for us. Now, the next important timing is the 15 minutes timing. 15 minutes timing. Now, this is the current 15 minutes, right? And this is the previous 15 minutes. This is the previous 15 minutes timing. So I'll take it as well. Now, this one here, this zone here, I'll knock it out. I'll knock it out because it's invalid, because it's higher than the current 15 minutes. So I'll knock it out. So guys, I have zones already. If I come back to the 5 minutes now, I will see my zones clearly. Now, see my zones. I have zones for USD JPY. This is a good zone. It's a very good support. So if market pushes down to this zone, I'll take my first entry. If it pushes down, I'll take my second entry. And if it pushes down, I'll take my third entry. Now let me draw a rectangle to make it easy. So I am looking at, this is the good zone, a very good zone. So if market comes in between this green box, I'll go in. But because of the market, it might not come there. So I would take my first one here. So let me just draw the line from here to here. So anything in between this box, I'll go in. Anything in between this box. So, and these zones are 709 and 603. So our first idea will be possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on USD JPY at the 709 to 603 areas. So I need market to push down to touch this area. I go in the first entry. It comes here, I go in the second entry. Guys, that's basically how to chart. Does this make sense? Does this make sense to you? Let me know if it makes sense to you. If it makes sense, put sense in the chat. Hey, say wisdom. Okay. Yeah, o'clock is coming. So o'clock can bring it down to our zone and we're going. Right. So if it comes down to our zone, it's okay. Can you see it's coming down? Trust me, I'm taking my first entry here. And if it pushes down, I'll take another entry. That's how I trade. So let me log into my broker and see what's happening. USD JPY. I'm not sure with my risk option all this while because I filed a withdrawal. The withdrawal just dropped. That's why I came back to it. Can you see this guy? Don't do that. We need you to come down for us. You need to calm down for us. Calm down. Calm down. So that zone is what? 709 first. So if it was technical guys that were trading, what can technical guys look at? They see if market has reacted at a zone 2 times. Can you see it has done this thing 2 times? This particular zone, this 724, yeah, 723. Let me draw a line there. Let me draw just a short line there. Did it with blue. Can you see it reacted at this zone 1, 2? The third one, it must react at that same place. So they'll just enter and clear. But the reason why I didn't call this zone is because I want us to understand the main thing first. So ideally, technical guys will have entered when he came back here, because can you see he reacted here once, second, and the third one he must push up. That's the reaction of the market over time. So technical guys will have gone into this trade and will have made profit already. Guys, do we understand this? Do we understand this? Do we understand this? Do we understand it, guys? If you understand this, please let me know in the chat. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. All right. Who has this trading view set up? I want somebody to call us a trade. I want somebody to call us a trade. I want somebody to call us. We have one idea. We have one idea. I need somebody that is bold enough to call us one trade idea. Remember, we are trading USD JPY. We're trading USD CHF. Let me confirm again. USD CAD, USD CHF. We're trading those two. Yeah. Can you see why I will not trade euro? Can you see euro has added again? So guys, I need somebody, anybody. If you can you see, guys? Oh God, I'll have taken this trade. It's because of training and lesson. That's why I did not take this trade. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'll have entered here and I'll have cleared. I'll have cleared. But it's all for learning. It's all for learning. That's why we are here, to teach you guys, to make you guys understand, make you guys learn. All right, anybody? You might not just analyze the market and let us know the zone. I'll confirm the zone. If it's good, we'll wait for it. It comes there, we'll enter and we'll clear. Anybody, USD card, anybody, if you have your trading view set up and you want to try, guys, let me make you guys understand this. You cannot learn this thing if you don't try it. So you need to try it by yourself every day. Try it by yourself every day. Try it by yourself. Use your demo account. Try it. Practice it. Call a zone for yourself. Use your demo account. If you lose it, it's not a problem. It's demo. Try. So when an educator calls out a zone, you confirm yourself. If everything goes in line with you, you get it. You take the trade. So that's it. That's it. That's it. So nobody wants to call an idea for us. I will confirm it too. We won't just take it, I'll confirm it. I'll confirm it. Anybody? Anybody? USD card, yeah. Anybody? USD card. Victory, you want to go? All right, you want to go? Gosh, man, yeah, this thing pained me. I won't lie, it pained me. This USD JPY pained me. It pained me. I won't lie, but it's okay. It's for our learning. We acted at 6-1. I'm sorry, 5-6-1. Let me see. USD card. Somebody said 5-6-1. You acted at 5-6-1. 5-6-1. Are you sure you're on USD card? Okay, yeah. All right, that's correct. Okay, somebody's giving us USD CHF is in the zone already, 304. You didn't tell us that it's for a call or a put.
It's for a call, it's writing already.
Yeah, and that's good. Honestly, that's correct. That's very correct. I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy. Guys, I'm happy. It's correct. Like, it's correct. It's correct. Man, very soon. We'll start to be an educator very soon. We're calling trades for us. All right, guys, let's analyze it together. The first thing you want to do is come to your hourly. Daily or your hourly is an uptrend. So I'll pick this. I'll pick this. I draw the line there. I'll pick this as my previous hour. Then I come to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys, is actually a good one. It's a good one.
It's retesting that zone.
Yes, retesting that zone. So I'm just going to draw my box here. So it comes here. Me, I'm going on my first entry right now. If it comes here, you go in. If it comes to this, you know what? Let me take it from here. If it comes to this point again, guys, you can go in. Osas has given us a trade idea, which is good. Oh, who entered? Who entered? Where's the CHF? Who entered? Who entered?
I entered.
Good. Good. That's it. I like that. I like that. Osas has given us a trade idea. He came back there, guys. He came back there again. He came back there again. Who entered? Who entered? Who entered? Okay, Osas scored his own that cleared yesterday. Osas is good. Osas is good then. And Osas is new, guys. Osas is new. Osas is new. Entered at 229. All right. Entered at 229. Okay, 229 is good. I'll take a second entry. I'll take a second entry at anywhere here. I'll take a second entry anywhere here. Who got this lower entry? This 283. Who got 283? Second entry left me. Second entry left me. 297. 297. 297 is good. 297 is good. All right, let's watch the market. Let's watch the market. We'll clear it. It's good. It's good. We'll clear it. Sheesh. Osas deserve one Capricone. All right, let's watch the trade. We'll clear it. We'll clear it. Anybody got this lower zone, this 283 zone? Anybody? Anybody got it? 285. Sheesh. Nice. It's even Osas that got 285 again. This guy. But that's good. That's good. That's good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Guys, that's it. That's it. That's how you do 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 it. All right, this session is going to be it's recorded. So please, you might want to go back to this session after this session, go back to this recording, watch this recording, watch it, digest it. I mean, we taught exactly how you can trade from Tradingview, how you can get zones, and how you can implement the strategies. Let me know if you've cleared. It took me at 302. Okay, it's okay. 302, you should see clear, but just manage your trade well. Somebody has cleared. You see cleared. You see cleared. You see cleared. You see cleared. Cleared. Good. You see cleared. You see cleared. You see cleared. Good. So let's watch the trade complete. Let's watch it complete. Let's watch the trade finish. So those that took a lower entry at 285, 283 should be out of the trade already. Cleared. One entry cleared. All right. We're going to clear. Everybody's going to clear. If you're not in profit, take roll. If you're not in profit, remember I take higher entries than anybody, just so if I'm in profit, everybody's in profit, right? So if you're not in profit, guys, just take your roll. You will clear. Everybody will clear. Clear. Good. Clear. I want to see if I should take a roll. Like, you know me, I'm not sentimental with roll. So I'll take it. If it comes back down, taking my roll. I'm not sentimental with it. So I'm waiting for it. It comes down again to my 283 area. I'm going in again. 283, I'm going in again. Cleared second entry. All right. That's okay. Okay, someone took a lesson. It's okay. It's fine. We're still in the market. It's just a test to know that, yeah, you can actually do this. And it's a good trade. We'll clear. If you're still in the trade, you clear, don't worry. Lesson. Oh, wow. You see me, I took a higher entry than anybody, but I knew and I took a roll. So I'm still in. Last move. That last move thing is always painful, right? But I'm just excited because everybody did. I mean, it was a student that called this idea and is reacting as it should be. So if it comes down to 283, you want to go in again. Lesson. Don't worry if you took lesson. You are learning. It's a learning process. Don't worry. Don't worry if you took lesson. It's okay. You will push up. You will push up. Can you see that? Break even. Can you see that? So guys, this is what I used to do. I take higher entries than anybody, but I'm always with my rollover. I'm always with it. And I don't take, well, if you are taking 3 minutes, you'll have cleared me. I don't take three minutes. I've never taken 3 minutes. So my 5 minutes is my 5 minutes, but then I watch it to roll. And my strategy, I take 2 rolls before I let any trade go. I must take 2 rolls. If I don't take 2 rolls, I'm not letting it go. It's just my strategy and it's been working for me for years. But guys, are we feeling this? Does it make sense to us? Does it make sense to us? Does it make sense to us? Did you get some value? If you got some value, please put value in the chat. If you got some value, put value in the chat. If you got some value from this session already, I mean, whether you took lesson or whatever, you got value from this session, put value in the chat. I want to see value. You got value. Everybody, please, everybody, I mean, every single person on this call, if you got value, put value. Every single person, if you got value, put value. We are 1-0 on this call, though. If you got value, put value. Every single person, every single person, I want to see value. I want to see value. Value. All right, let's wait for those that are sitting. I'm sitting in the trade. Let's wait for those that are sitting in the trade to clear before we look at something else. And remember, it's the 11 o'clock. So what played out was the 11 o'clock timing. But if you had still maintained it, you will have cleared. If it pushes down, I'll still roll over. I must take 2 before I let it go. If it pushes down, I must still roll over. But guys, that's it. That's my strategy. See, I'm watching it to take rollover. I'm watching it. I will take it. No sentiment for me. I do sentiment with rollover. So I'm on it. If it comes here, it will pass my rollover time. So I'm here watching it. I'm in profit, that's why. So if it comes down before this place, I'll take my rollover and I will let it play out. But let's see. If it breaks this zone, it will keep going up. If it breaks this zone, it will keep going up. So let it try and break it. Let it try and break it. UJ is coming, all right. Somebody should give us the entry for UJ, please. I need somebody, not Osas now, somebody else. Give us, guys, can you see now? See where we entered it. Analysis don't lie, guys. See where we entered it. Inside this box. Guys, UJ, anybody give us. Who is giving us UJ? Who's giving us the trade idea for UJ? Yeah, man, UJ is going to be sweet. Can you see this mark? When you see this check mark, it's going to be so sweet. Check mark is usually so sweet. Inside this box, it's still the same zone. UJ inside the box, still the same zone. So they calm down. You are boss now, don't worry. I want somebody else, but we've analyzed it before, so right? We all know the zone on UJ. I want to watch this one before I go. Guys, let UJ come. Inside this box, we go in. Inside this box, we go in.
NB is there. NZD/USD is at the zone.
NZD/USD, sheesh. NZD/USD is a put, guys. NZD/USD, guys, going on NZD/USD for a put. NZD/USD for a put, 0.95 for a put. NZD/USD 0.95 for a put. Guys, can you see? Stochastic RSI momentum is ready. NZD/USD for a put, 0.95. USD/JPY, still waiting for it at the same zone. He needs to come. He needs to come. He needs to come before he goes. He will come before he goes. He will come. So NZD USD, guys, watch those zones. Watch those zones. Watch those zones. Watch those zones. It's coming. 0.95 is coming. 0.95 is coming. NZD USD is coming. This trade clear now. What's going on? I need to leave here. He wants to come. So guys, watch those trades. It's the same pair, so it will react the same way. Can you see? And I was having that feeling. I was having that feeling. So I'll take a lesson on it. But trust me, I'll recover it back because I'll enter it. I'm in that trade again. I'm in that trade again. So guys, NZUSD is coming. USJPY is coming. Guys, watch it.
As fast as there.
NZUSD is there. Guys, NZUSD is there, guys. NZUSD is there. NZUSD for a put. NZUSD for a put, please. NZUSD, go into that trade. Go into that trade. Let me add some more money to my broker. Please go into that trade. Go into that trade. Go into that trade. Sheesh. He didn't let me enter. Oh, he didn't let me enter. Who entered NZUSD? Who entered NZUSD, guys? Who entered NZUSD? Who entered, let's see, USDJPY? USDJPY is gone. NZUSD. Who entered? Who entered? It got to 0.99. Entered NU. 0.99. 2 entries. Sheesh. Good, 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 good. So let me battle with my USD CHF. Reason why I took it again is because I want it to pay me back. And I will get it back. NU good, NU good, NU good, NU good. I'm going to enter NU as well because it will come back to retest. I'll enter NU. That's if it comes back to retest. 0.74 by mistake. You will clear, don't worry. You clear NU, you clear NU, don't worry. My broker spiked me out. Cleared 0.94. Sheesh. Cleared 0.94. Don't worry, it will come back to retest and it will pull down back. Don't worry, don't worry. Take me lower. I want to double up. So you see, I'm on USD CHF. I entered the market again twice. I'll wait for the reaction. Like I'm ready to take my role properly. So I'm here. I would enter NU if it comes back. I'll enter NU if it comes back. So I'm waiting on NU. NU don't want to come back for me. If it comes back for me, I'll enter. Guys, let me know if you've cleared. Some people are entering 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Some people are entering 3 minutes. So it depends on you. But me, I never enter 3 minutes. So I never enter 3 minutes. 5 minutes is safest for me. I never enter 3 minutes. So NU, people have cleared because they entered 3 minutes. Are we checking USDJPY? USDJPY is gone. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. All right, my USD CHF will pay me. I'm waiting for NU, waiting for NU. This is a very, very wrong reaction. NU, let me see where NU is. Something has happened to the strength. Let me see NU. So USD CHF, something has happened to USD CHF. NU should be fine on your NU. Let me see USD JPY. Let me see USD JPY. JPY is fine. So it's CHF that has some issues right now. CHF has some issues right now. Let me see what is happening with CHF. Just market reaction, actually. But trust me, I go in again. That's me. I'll clear all of them. I'll clear all of them. I'm taking one lower entry again here, so I'll clear all of them. All right, let's see. What's happening on your end, guys? NU has fallen. See, NU has fallen. I didn't go into NU, guys. I didn't go into NU. Don't worry. Sheesh. Guys, can you see analysis don't lie? Can you see analysis don't lie? If you've made some profit on this session, please put profit. Guys, that's how it works. That's how it works. That's how it works. Can you see I'm in profit on all my USD CHF? All the entries, USD CHF, all I'm in profit. And I'll clear all. I know you guys didn't enter this with me. This was personal trade. This was personal because I took a lesson on it. I don't let the currency downplay me. I don't. Sheesh. Guys, can you see? Clear 2 entries on NU. In profit on USD CHF. Oh, you took it with me. No profit today. Why? Why no profit today? Why no profit today? Why? I don't know. I don't know why. I don't get it. Can you explain to me? Why no profit today? 1-1. Hey, wow. Anyways, we are still here. We are still here. Guys, let me know your scores. Let me know your scores. Let me know your scores. Please put your scores in this chat. Put your scores in the chat. Let me know what your scores. Put your scores in the chat. I want to see your scores. 2-0. 2-1. All right. 2-1 is okay. You will be 3-1 because you will clear USD CHF with me. 3-0. Sheesh. 3-0. Everybody, I need 5-0. Bros, I greet you, sir. Educator Osas. But I mean, that's the joy. That's the joy of it. I'm excited. Honestly, I'm excited. You don't want to know how excited I am. Victor, let me see your scores. You see spiking pains. I mean, you see spiking pain me. You did not roll over. You did not roll over. Okay, you've passed rollover option. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Osas money. Sheesh. Osas money. Right. Let this trade be over. I want to say about this call. We're not responding. No profit yet. Don't worry, we are still in the market, but you are getting value. So you can try this by yourself. That's the most important thing. It's Tokwe on this call. It's Tokwe on this call. I need Tokwe to get this skill. You have to get this. You know one thing, guys. This skill is a lifetime usable skill. It's a lifetime important skill. You get it for life. You can be on your own and trade. It's a lifetime important skill. So please don't joke with the HFX Arena. Join sessions. Even if you're not trading, join and learn. If you stay with the HFX Arena for 6 months, you will know this thing. You will know it. There's no way you wouldn't know. You will know it. Our sessions are recorded. You can go back to rewatch them. So guys, I'm glad that we are making most of this free period. Like I said, I don't longer manage this whole thing. So I can't do free anything anymore, right? So once it's 1st of August, you don't have an active subscription, you'll be out of the VIP group. And the links are changed daily. Also, the 2 and free is still very much valid. And I think what we agreed, I think it was September to September or something. So please, you can actually have free subscription. You can have free subscription all through. All you just is bring 2 new people. That's it. We're not saying bring 2 new people and get money. No. Bring 2 new people, get your own subscription, next one free. So guys, I am happy about this session because we've learned something valuable. That I'm clearing these old 3 entries. You see, the first one I took, just because I managed to roll over, I did not let it disturb me. I did not let it disturb me. So I took only one idea and I've profited 3 times, took 1 lesson because it spiked me down, but I took it again immediately. So guys, for me, it's 3-1 on just 1 idea. Imagine I took the other ideas. Clear 3 entries on NU. Oh, well, Ben, it pained me Ben is not here as well. It pained me Ben is not here. But I will try and send this to him. You can also watch this. It pained me Ben is not here, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, we're still here, very much around. And an exciting thing is happening soon. Guys, we're coming for TBX very soon, very soon, very soon. So guys, you don't want to leave the HFX arena. You want to stay and get this knowledge. You want to stay and get this skill. All right, guys, let's check the market again. Anybody wants to go from beginning, from top, from here? Anybody wants to go to analyze? Give us, not OSAS now. I want someone else. Give us zones. I'll validate it. We go in. Anybody, please, anybody. Cleared my USD CHF, so you should be 3 on 1. That's it. I'm glad about this session. 3 on 1. I'm also 3 on 1. So that's okay. Guys, I need somebody who will do that. It's just 11:17, so everything looks good. It's just 11:17. We know the news, so it's euro we are not touching. All we just do is refresh. US has even gained 1 more strength. That's so good for us. So the market comes to our zone, we analyze, we go in again swiftly. So anybody wants to check, let me know what's it called you want to trade. Let me know the idea you want to trade. Anybody? Guys, this particular session is important. Go back to rewatch it. We explain how you can set up your trading view. See, you know the funny thing, guys, this is what I said I've been using for years, right? And secondly, this is free. You did not pay for this. The other indicator I have is free. The other one I have is paid. And that's Cash App 3.0. But trust me, this still works. It still works. I mean, it still works. This still works. All right, guys. You want to watch this session again to help your understanding. You want to watch it again to help your understanding. All right, any other person? Nobody's answering. I want somebody to give us zones. I said you need to practice it. I'm here. I would validate it before we go in. Guys, what's our official score? The 3 ideas has been profit. That's 3 on 0 officially. The 3 ideas have been in profit. The 3 ideas were in profit. NZD, USD CAD. Oh, okay, just 2. You had the JPY, we didn't enter. Did we? Did anybody enter USD JPY? We analyzed it. We didn't enter. All right. So we're officially 2 on 0 on this session.
I think USD JPY is looking good, bro.
You said?
JPY.
Yeah.
AUD USD, sorry.
AUD USD. Let me see AUD USD. USD is gone. I don't trade against the trend. AUD is gone. For those that trade against the trend, they will just enter for a call and they will still clear. But I don't trade against the trend. I don't trade against the trend. All right, guys. Anybody wants to check what else we can trade? What else do you think we can trade? So this third currency strength meter, really, I really don't use it because it's these 2 is fine. Once these 2 are in agreement, I'm good. I don't need to add this, but you want to add it, it's okay. It's an extra confirmation of the pairs you can trade. So NZD USD, AUD USD, CHF, USD CHF. Let's see USD CHF. What is it saying here? USD CHF, we can look at it as well. USD CHF. And here, what is it saying? So we can look at USD CHF. Remember, if it aligns, we go in. If it does not align, we do not go in. So we have our zone already for USD CHF. We'll wait for it. Can you see? Reacted once, twice. If it comes back here, the next one will be so high. So our zone for USD CHF is still very much valid. The only changes at the clock timing. So when it's a new timing, you want to rechart. When it's at the clock timing, you want to rechart. I don't trade against the trend, so I'll wait. UJ 804 to 8 to 73 804 783 for a call. Let me confirm that. 804 783. Somebody has given us an idea. Let me check it. I want to validate. Somebody has given us an idea. I want to validate. So let me delete all my charting. I come to the 1 hour. Remember, it's an upward movement. So I pick the body. I change it to green. Sorry, I pick the wick and I pick the body. I change it to green. Now this is the wick of the previous hour. So these are the 3 zones I have on the hourly. Now I move to the 15 minutes. Now let me see what you called again. Let me see what you called again. You called 804 and 731. 804 731. 731 is good. 804 783. 783. 783. 83. Okay, 783 is good. Is inside that zone, so it's okay. 783 is okay. See your 783 here. Let me see. Somewhere here is your 783. And the next one you called was 804. Your zone is so good, honestly. Me, I called 841. That was the first, that's what we charted. So definitely I will knock this one up because it's away. So 784, it reacted at this 8. Your zone is what? 804. It reacted here, 804. So you are correct. Guys, that's a good idea. So if it comes anything in between this box is good. This one is too far, right? So USD JPY, his zone is correct. His zone is correct, but I pulled down a little on mine. So mine is from here. Mine is from here. But the zone is correct. So if it touches this is zone, are we going? So then let me just take this one out. So we know that we're working with his zone. His zone is correct, guys. His zone is correct. So market has to come into this box from 804 to 730. That's my zone. His own is 783, which is here. 783, 783, 783 is here. It's good as well. But me, I have a longer time. Sorry, let me just draw it here. 783. So this is his zone. If it touches here, I'm going on my first entry. Comes to his zone, I take his second entry. And anything below, I take my third entry. But 2 entries per trade. So you want to watch. Either you want to wait for this zone to go in, or you want to take anyone, but take just 2 entries. Except you are ready to trade like me. All right, guys, that makes sense. Guys, that makes sense. That's good. That's good. Jenny, you did well. That's okay. Okay, did well. That zone is so good. So the market comes there, no argument. So let me make you guys also know something, right? One thing you also need to put your eyes on is here. And look at it every time before I enter the market. So whilst this is here, if it comes to touch this, trust me, this guy will already be ready to move up. So this stochastic must come to this green and red. It must touch the red, getting ready to go up. RSI must touch the red, getting ready to go up. Momentum must touch the red, getting ready to go up. 3 of them must be in alignment. If these 2 is alignment, you can still take it. But if 2 are not in alignment, only 1 is in alignment, you don't take it. If this 2 is in alignment, you can take it. If this is not in alignment, you can take it. But if the 3, 1, 2, 3 touches the red line, you're ready to go in. So long as it's inside here, that's another confirmation. If we get this, if you get this, please put yes in the chat. If you get this, put yes in the chat. Remember what I said? Now it is up, so you cannot enter the market now because this guy is up. Stochastic is up, RSI is up, momentum is up. So by the time this guy pulls down to this zone, right, this guy will have come touch red. This guy will have come touch red. This guy will have come touch red. So if 1, 2 is ready and it's inside our zone, we will enter. If only one is ready, you won't enter. But if the 3 is ready, I mean, I'll put on my life savings. I'm just joking. So just to make you know that, yeah, if the 3 is ready, you are so good to go in. But if 1, you don't need to go in. If it's 2, you can go in. All right. Only 4 people put yes. Guys, we are 16 on this call. I want to be sure we all got this. If you got this, put yes in the chat. Yeah, that's the perks to my own type of trading. You wait for it to align and you go in. But some people trade against the trend and it works for them. It has never worked in my life. So I will not start today. And looking at it, even if you trade against the trend, this guy is not ready to come down. So why? Can you see? Guys, look at this timing. Look at from this point. Can you see this guy started going up? Stochastic started going up. Stochastic stayed up. It stayed up. It didn't come down. RSI stayed up. Didn't come down. Momentum stayed up. Didn't come down. So why would I not enter the trade? Yes, you want to enter for a put, right? If it comes down, you can enter quick trade. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you quickly enter, just come down. You enter, make your money. But this guy is on an uptrend. He's on an uptrend, so it will keep going up until a big push, maybe the 30 minutes reversal comes, it pushes it down, I can go in. I kid you guys not, at some point, I trade only 3 trades per hour, and the 3 is per watt. The 3 must happen. The o'clock timing, I take 1 trade. 30 minutes timing, I take 1 trade. 45 minutes timing, I take 1 trade. And I must clear. Only 3 trades in an hour. But yeah, I mean, that was me being too disciplined then. But you can see something set up even before those times. So long as you follow the rules, you get all this knowledge. When you see something, you go in. Okay, per watt means, you see this movement now is a per watt movement. It just kept going. No wick is pulling it down. It's not doing testing. It just moves swiftly. So when it moves swiftly without any obstruction, there was no wick to it. That's per watt. It moves like jets. It just jets up. So that's per watt. That's what we refer to as per watt. All right. So guys, anybody wants to call on that idea? Hey, this guy got there. We were sleeping. We were sleeping on it. Yes, JPY got there. We were sleeping on it. Anybody took it? Anybody took it? Yes, JPY got there. Nobody took it. Painful. All right. Somebody's giving us another idea. GBP NZD. I will validate that. Good. GBP NZD is good. GBP it's been stable. It's been up. It's been up. Yeah, he lost 1 bar, but it's okay. GBP NZD. So instead of GBP NZD, I would rather GBP CAD or GBP JPY. Why? Because GBP and NZD, they are quite close. Is it up to 20? The difference must be at least 20. The difference must be at least 20 before I take it. That's my own rule. Can you see? GBP NZD are really too close. So I really want to be careful with that. But let's analyze to see the zone it gave us. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Let me just quickly chart. I'll just quickly chart. So a call. So now, do you see the trend of the market in the last hour was falling down? Was falling down. So it's trying to consolidate right now for it to start going up. But we can take advantage. Let's just chart. No, chat, you can retest. Let's just wait. Let's just chat and see. Get good zones. The thing is, I want to validate what you called. That's my goal. Validating what you called. That okay, yeah, this thing you called is good. This thing you called is good. So guys, GBP NZD. Let me see what he called. He called. Oh, you didn't put your zones. You didn't put the zones. You didn't put the zone. It's gone already. It's gone. You didn't put the zones. It's okay. I will go in on GBP NZD if it comes down to 200, 200 only. 200 only. You see this zone I deleted? Reason is being that GBP has lost one bar and NZD is getting strong, or NZD is close to it. So I won't wait. I won't take this first entry. Or I can just do that. I can do that in between this zone. I will take GBP NZD for a call and I will clear. Clearly, I will clear. It's already started the upward. Can you see from here? It was downward since it consolidated. Now it started going upward. Started going upward. So if it comes here, I can take but minimal risk because they are close. If it comes into this box, GBP NZD, 225 to 200 for a call. GBP NZD is not an IQ cent. How? Oh, really? It's not an IQ cent.
It's on race option also.
Oh, sorry, we are analyzing for ourselves. But I mean, it's good. It shows that he has understood this thing. He understands this thing. It's not a trade we can take, but it shows that he understands. Oh, Sarge, you need Capricone. Two Capricone for you. Two Capricone. But guys, that's it. It was good. It was good. He got the analysis correctly. Yeah. All right, let's go back to our, which one? Someone said someone is coming. Which one is coming? UJ is coming. All right, let's go back to UJ. UJ, come. Don't stall. Come and enter our box. Let's enter.
UJ is not coming. It's so far.
So far. UJ, UCAD. Okay. Did we analyze USD card? Somebody should please do that for us. Give us zone, USD card. Anybody? Then let me see NZD, USD. You should be getting ready for us. Call. It's not getting ready. You need to come up. You need to come up. Somebody can do USD card for us. Somebody can do USD card for us. So I want to look at GJ. Let me look at GJ. GBP, JPY. GBP card, GBP, JPY. Let me validate. GBP card, GBP, JPY. Those are the only two things I can look at on GBP. And the reason is because they are far apart. They are far apart. GBP, JPY. Hey God, see GU. Chai. GU is tempting me. Chai. I just saw it. Let me go and check it. GU is tempting me. GU is tempting me for a put. GU, guys. Let's check GU. Let's check GU. GU is tempting me. There are two currencies that are not friends. They're not friends. Those two currencies are not friends. They fight each other too much. So I don't trade GU. I'm not can't trade it. I'm not trading. Let me look at the GJ. GJ is far apart, so I can trade GJ. All right. So let's see the hourly. Previous hour week. Current hour week. Got zones already. Got zones already. All right. So if G J comes into this box. GJ can come there, guys. Don't get it twisted. It can come there. It comes there with pair what? 464, 375. It reacted here only once. That's why I'm not taking it yet. If it comes here, if I'll go maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, but I don't do all those kind of trades. Sorry, guys. I was knocked out by the network, but I'm back. I don't know why people are leaving the call. This is an educative session. I don't know why they are leaving the call, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. GJ, don't go now. Don't leave us. GJ, come back. GJ, come back. GJ, come back. Come back. Come back. Don't leave us. GJ, come back. So let's wait for the 45 minutes reversal. We might get GJ at that time. And just maybe, all the USD pairs will be ready as well during the 45 minutes reversal. Yeah, USD want to start pushing down. I mean, JPY wants to start pushing down. So this guy comes into our zone. We go in. Don't forget USD card as well. Nobody has analyzed USD card. Somebody should do that for us, please, while we wait for it. USD CHF. It needs to come to our zone. It needs to come. GJ and G card. GJ come, G card, GBP CHF. Let me see. Do we have anything like that on our broker? I'm not sure. Let's let it go. We don't need to trade that kind of pair. So GJ and G card, GBP card, those are the two we're looking on the GBP pair. So we're waiting for it to come into our zone. GBP, JPY, it needs to come into our zone. If it comes into our zone here, we go in. This place, you might want to take just 1% of your account if it comes here, but take 5 minutes. Because if it comes here, it will break it and come into here before it goes up. So it's better you wait, but you are hustling to take trades. You can enter 1% when it gets to 449. That's 500. But I'll wait for it. Our NU, what's going on with NU? NU react for us. NU react for us. Push up, let us enter. Still pushing down. If there's nothing to take, we'll leave the market. It's best that way, so you don't waste your money. It's best that way. UJ, it needs to come. USD card, not ready. USD CHF, it needs to come as well. So 3 ideas, I think 3 ideas are coming. This way, we won't lose our money. So if it does not align, we leave the market. We've taken some profits. So some people have not. We're still here though. We're still here. USD card, possibly bullish move at 843, 784. SARS, nice. And 597 zone. Let's confirm that. USD card for SARS. 843, 784. SARS is so good. SARS is so good. Exactly what Ivan Cabra gave us. Exactly what Ivan Cabra gave us. 784, that's 784. Now, 843. 843 is okay. 843 is okay. Let me just go to the 1 hour, confirm that. Yeah, still in that area. SAS, well done. Still in that area. 860, I got 860 to 8784, still in that area. Still in that area. So we can take that when it comes there. If you trade this way or you chart this way, you won't lose trade. You won't lose one kobo. If you do it this way, you won't lose one kobo. It's when we are hustling. It's when we are hustling. Not 118 to, not 118. 861 to 784 for a call, USD card. It's currently on 125. It needs to come down. I mean down. It needs to come down until wait for the o'clock timing. If it's not o'clock timing, it must come down before we enter. Or else we'll lose it. It's not the same on IQ Cent.
Exactly.
Oh, USD card. Let me see what's it on my place. What's the current zone on IQ Cent right now as we speak? What's the current zone on USD card? It's currently
113.
113.
Yes.
It's 141 on race option.
That's too far. That's about 30 pips difference. That's about 30 pips difference. That's too far, please. That's too far. Okay, that's okay. Our USJPY. What's your current zone on USJPY on IQ Cent? 930.
We're 918.
That's correct. That's just 2 pips different. Say again. Say again. NU, you meant U is not ready. GU, GU is, we're not doing GU. GJ, guys, GJ is coming. GJ is coming.
To what?
Let's see.
GJ's
zone.
357.
Say again, say again, say again. If you want to give us a zone, say. Or write it out, I'll validate it. Write it out, I'll validate it. Write your zones out. If you have a zone, you started a zone, write it out. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? On that GJ, can you see? It has come here. This guy is ready now. This guy is ready. This guy is getting ready. So if he comes into this our zone, guys, we'll pay what's this trade on GJ. Can you see? It's on an uptrend, 200 EMA line. Stochastic is touching the red. RSI touching the red. Momentum almost at the red. So if the momentum comes to the red and this guy is inside here, put my life savings. So if you have a zone, write it out. Let me see. Write it out. This is actually patient trading that you don't have to lose money. But it's just that many times you would wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. But if you can be patient to wait that wait, oh God. Can you see where he came to and reacted? He wants to react here. So I will take here as one entry. I will take 9, 6. This is here, this is here, this is here. So I'll take it at one entry now. You guys go and log into your broker if you have logged out. Mine is logged out. Don't do that, not now. I need to take this trade. GJ, I need to take GJ. I need to take GJ. So first entry where analyzed, GJ.
What's first entry?
So the first entry is 949, where it is right now, 949. I'm going in on my first entry. Please do not go and do 1 minute trade. 3 to 5 minutes.
492, you mean?
496. I'm on 496. So I took 496. It's currently on 496. You can go in 496. That's my first entry, 496. Who entered 496 with me? My broker freeze.
My broker blocked me out.
Shit, my broker freeze. Okay, guys, it's coming to our original zone. Our original zone 464. GJ 464. My broker froze. Never. You won't do that nonsense. My broker froze. They don't want us to take this trade. Good trade. They don't want us to take it to. You might want to switch internet to another internet. Just maybe you will do well and let you take it.
I broke. Why would you do this to me now?
Who took that trade?
Nobody.
Everybody's experiencing technical issue.
God damn.
Guys, it's our zone. It's our zone. It is our zone.
These people. But why would they do that? Wow.
Me, I took the first entry.
Mine is frozen. It's not working.
Right. So that's technical issues from the broker. But trust me, we'll clear it. It's already moving on. Why?
Hope they won't enter the trade for me.
Me, my own already picked. It has picked my own already, Seth.
Yeah.
It has picked my own already. Mine already picked my own. So I needed to push up because I took a higher zone like I used to. So to take the main zone now is where the issue is. Wait. To be safe, I'll just take a rollover to be safe because I don't even know where I am on the trade, but I'll just take a rollover. I'll just take a rollover to be safe. I want to see if it works, but hopefully it works.
Shit.
I don't think anybody took this trade except me.
Damn it.
I don't think anybody took this trade except me. It's funny.
Wow.
It's not getting in.
Hey, now wow.
My own is that they should not execute all pending calls.
Sorry, what was the entry for GJ again?
GJ inside this box, even pull down below that. So it's a very good zone.
Wow.
Take at 351, please.
Oh my God.
It's already going on.
It's gone.
351, guys. If you can
just
enter,
logged in.
If you can enter 351, 350, that area.
It's gone.
Yeah, that's it. It's okay.
Let's wait for a retest, man, from the next candle.
It's okay, guys. If you didn't take it, it's okay. If you didn't take it, it's okay.
Well, I think the next candle will retest.
Yeah. I'm even surprised at what's going on right now. This is 395. Mine is currently on, okay, 3. I want to take it. I want to see if it will go in. I will take. If it will go in, I will take. But definitely to retest. I want to take one. If it take me, okay, it took me. So let me see. So fine. Guys, refresh yours. It will come back to retest. So if you come back to retest, I took 391, very high. But if you come back to retest, you want to go in. 330 is very good. If you get to 330, if you get to 330 is very good. Let's see other USD pairs. Not ready. So it's just JPY. No, G. We're on GJ. Sorry, just JP. GJ. GJ. Let me see GBP card.
It's almost at 330.
Enter. If you get to 330, enter. You're good.
I'm watching at 341.
341 is good. 341 is good. 341 is good. 341 is good. I'm going to go in now. If it comes to this, my 330. Hey, I'm seeing 326. Anybody caught 326? Anybody caught 326? 329. Good. 329. Good. So I'm waiting to go in if it comes back here. If it comes back to 325, 326, I'm going in. 326 is so good, so good, like so good. So good. Let's watch the market, guys. Let's watch it. We'll clear. So I took this as a sacrificial lamb to know whether it's working, but I think I'll clear because I'll take rule. So let's watch this. Let's watch this. Push it up. 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 We'll clear. Everybody will clear. Don't worry. Everybody will clear. So I'm just watching to take a roll. If I need to take a roll, let me see. So when it gets to this point, I'll take my roll before it closes. That's if it's not pay-watted up. How many of us took this trade? How many of us took this trade? Some people already left the call. They didn't experience this move. So let me take my roll. Some people have cleared. Good. My roll is so far. I will have not taken it though. I will have not taken the roll. Sheesh! Guys, can you see that? 334, the lowest. I mean, that's massive profit. Massive profit. Massive profit. Massive profit. Massive profit, guys. Massive profit. Can you see, guys? Can you see? All right, let's watch it. Let's watch it play out. I took a very long rule. Very long rule. I would have cleared if I didn't take that rule, but yeah. Don't worry, don't take it. Oh, if it has pushed up already, Don't take it, please. Oh, please don't take it. Oh. If it pushes up more, that'll be good for me because the mistake trade I took is higher. So let's watch. I'm not taking a roll on it. It was a mistake trade, this first one. So if it pushes up and I clear, all good. If it does not, I'm okay. I don't have a problem. I'm not taking a roll on it, this one here. So and if it goes up and it clears me, oh well and good. I believe everybody should have cleared. Let me know if you've cleared. Cleared. Beautiful. Cleared. Everybody cleared. Let me see. Only already didn't take this trade, right? Already didn't take it. Cleared. Everybody still in. You will clear now. I'm the only one that took a higher entry and I'm in profit. I took a higher entry and I'm in profit. And it's painful. Don't worry. I'm just happy and excited that we are getting this knowledge. We're getting this skill. We're learning this skill. That's why I'm more excited. It's not about whether I will make profit or not. It's about the fact that we are learning these skills. That's what is much more important for me. What even happened to our brokers? All the brokers just misbehave. All of them. All the brokers. Clear. Good. Let's check our USD pairs and see if it's reacting already. Sorry, NU. Did you check NU? It's not ready. NU is not ready. UJ, calm down now. We're waiting for you. Jealous brokers. Can you see? I'll have cleared that one. But well, it's okay. It was a mistake trade, but trust me, it's fine. And if I taking rule, I didn't want to take rule because it was a mistake trade. I didn't intentionally take it. So, but if I had taken rule, I would have cleared. You already got, this was where I entered it. You already got above that. So, but at least I cleared this one. I cleared this one. Everybody should clear. Everybody should clear. GG. Everybody should clear. I mean, everybody. If I can clear this one, 391, and our zone was 330 something, 340 something. Over 60 pips difference. Come on. So everybody should, even if you took rule upon your profit, you will still clear. But I believe everybody have cleared. I believe everybody has cleared. Who took more than one entry? No bad guys here. No bad guys here. Everybody are good guys. We used to have some bad guys in our midst before. Those guys can do 10 entries. They know when they see that, okay, this thing is well. They just keep clicking call. Yeah, man. But the other thing will backfire. So I don't advise anybody to do it. On the same spot, they keep clicking call. But I'm glad. I mean, this is good. This is good. We've gotten some lessons, some training, some good training. Can you see? If I'm taking a rule on that mistake entry, I'll have cleared it, but it's not needed. We started at 330. Guys, see where we are. We've crossed 400. We are currently on 520. Oh God. Analysis don't lie. It's still going up. Analysis don't lie. GJ, where are you again? Let's just do some checks. See. Analysis don't lie. Inside our box, we took it. Pushed up. Still pushing up above. Still pushing up above. All right, guys. Can I see our scores? Let me see our scores before we look at maybe one or two before we go. Can I see our scores, everybody? Your scores. Kume is not on this call. Tokpe is not on this call. I don't know why. Or are they on this call? It's just Ben. I know that Ben is away. I need to see everybody's scores. Everybody scores. Everybody. So, guys, I want to say something, please. When we say you should go to the free Telegram group and put your scores, we need it. We need it. We need people to see what is happening here and how it is happening so they can join. We need to grow this community. I mean, we might not be able to sustain us. 7-0 is good. We're not able to sustain this thing if we don't have people. These educators are not doing this thing for free. I'm saying it again so we all know. It's not free. They're collecting money. Yeah, okay, I'm the founder, right? But these educators that I'm partnering with are not doing it free. So if I don't have money to pay them, they will leave. And I might not be available to call trades for all the time. Yeah, right now I'm trying to build this. After a while, I'll stop calling trades. So we need people to see that this thing is working. I've made money, guys. You don't want to know. People that are close to me know how much I've made from HFX, what I have done through HFX. You will if you stay. So please, when we say put your scores on the chat, on the free Telegram group, or put your green bubbles, we want you to put it so people can see. Someone sent me a message that somebody chatted her yesterday and the person was asking, does this thing really work? Now it's because the person sees that we post there, we post our scores, and the person is interested to join. So please, I beg us, when we say put your scores on the free Telegram group, do not just make your money and leave. That's not the goal. The goal is to grow this community. The goal is to grow this community. That's why we're on Telegram. We used to be on WhatsApp. We left WhatsApp for Telegram so we can expand the numbers. So please, when we are done with the session, when you are going out, put your scores on the free Telegram group. If you join 10 a.m., put 10 a.m., my score is this. Put 8 a.m., my score is this. Put 6 a.m., my score is this. Put it there. Now, it will also help the educators to see how he's doing. Yeah, not all educators are like me that I want to be sure everybody's moving together. Some just trades and leave. So when they come and see that you gave an official score of 4-on-1, but people are doing 3-on-5, he would put himself to order. But when we don't put our scores, he doesn't even know where we are. So I'm begging everybody, please, always put your scores on the chat. Always put your scores. after the session, or if you want to wait till the end of the third session, put it. But it's okay that we know. It's okay that we know. It helps us. Now, I had to change strategy because I saw that people are taking lessons on my session. I'm making money, people are taking lessons. I had to change my strategy that works for everybody. Or I had to change my approach, my teaching strategy to make sure people understand the way I'm teaching.
I think this approach
I
is
beg everyone, please, I beg us, always put your scores. We need that detail. We need that statistics. It helps us. If an educator is taking too much lessons, when people are taking too much lessons on an educator, I will just tell him to back down for the time being. I mean, I'm the founder, I can do all those. But if I don't know, if an educator tells me, I don't join all the sessions. If an educator tells me he did 6 on 0, I'm glad. But what if you have done, 4 on 5? In my head, it's 6 on 0. But I don't know your scores. But when you put your scores on the group, it will help me benchmark. I can say, okay, all right, there's been too many lessons on your session. Can you please take 1 week off or take 1 month off? Go and build yourself again and come back. Guys, you get what I'm saying? If what I'm saying makes sense to you, please put sense in the chat, please. What I'm saying makes sense to you, put sense in the chat. Frederick is still 1-1. That's the one that concerns him. Frederick is still 1-1. Please, everybody put sense in the chat. I want to be sure everybody understands what I'm saying. We look to get in more educators. Like, we are in discussion with a TBX guy, but I need to test it first before I bring him on board. I'm not laughing at you, sorry. All right, guys, let's look at one more idea. Anybody wants to call out a trade idea for us? Okay, maybe I will turn my own session to the team trading session. Everybody trade with me. Everybody, you can call out this trade idea and validate it to take it. So I can call my session team trading session. So we are now a team, we're trading together. I mean, if we do this for the next 6 months, trust me, you'll be by yourself, you're trading by yourself. Just maybe you even apply as an educator on HFX and you're calling trades for people. And you make money as well, like the other educators. Educators are making money, you also make money. So please, this skill is an important skill. Let me be frank with us. If you join other academies, they are good. I wouldn't say they are not good, but they don't have time the way we have time for you guys now because we're still new. We're less than 100. So the process is still very good. You will learn. And our price is the cheapest. Me and some of us have been on IM Academy. You pay subscription, $275 per month. I paid it for about 6 months myself before I could get this skill. I paid it. The first subscription is $325. And after that, you're paying $275 every month. The academy that King David trains for, their subscription is $100 per month. And I can tell you for free, we will make more than them. I know them. This is not, they are good guys. They have good educators. One of the educators, is also on Mind. He's also on Mind Academy. Mind Academy is owned by Matthew Teya. Matthew Teya left IM Academy to start his own Mind Academy. I'm also on Mind. I didn't pay their subscription, but I'm on their group. So I see their stuff too. So one of the educators on Genesis is also on Mind. Mind, their subscription is $1,000 per month. So you know what I'm saying. I kid you guys not. When we get to a point, our subscription will increase, the fee will increase. So catch this right now. Catch it right now. All right, guys. Let's see one more idea. It's 12:05. Let's see one more idea. If anything is setting up, and take it. GJ, maybe GJ wants to come back. So if GJ comes back, so I want to give us a new zone for GJ. Wait. It's a new timing, right? Let's allow it finish. It's still pushing. Let's allow it finish before we take the new zone. So what I want to do is I want to check again to see the strength. GBP is now, see, GBP is now nothing. CHF have grown. So let's look at USD CHF. USD CHF. Let's look at USD CHF. Look at USD CHF. It's good. Osas is in the spirit. Osas has already sent it. He already sent USD CHF needs to break 448 zone. Guys, that's what I'm saying. Osas, you are doing well. Shall be earning Capri soon. This guy, please, I'm just looking at it. Don't take it though. It's not ready. It's the timing and it has lost all the strength. So let's look at CHF, USD CHF. It's a new timing. I'll delete all this and rechart it. So let me come to the one. Funny how this is my strategy. It's just that I was not patient with it. So I had to go and pay to get my tutorial strategy. I mean, it's all good. It's all good. This strategy still works. All right, so it's an upward movement. This is the first zone where it reacted. This as well. So I come to 15 minutes. USD CHF is good. It's good. This is another zone. Yeah, so be ready for USD CHF. Ready for USD CHF for a call. The reason why we'll not enter it now is because of this guy. So this guy has to calm down. So get ready for it. Just watch it. So this zone, I'll just leave this zone technically, but this is our main zone. So I'll draw my rectangle here. Draw my rectangle here. So the zones for USD CHF 353 to 292. Guys, it will come there. Don't get it twisted. It will come there. This guy needs to come touch red. This guy, RSI needs to come touch red. Stochastic momentum needs to come touch red. So if this 3 comes down to touch red and this guy is inside our zone, we are going in. So let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes for it. Let it come, let it come, let it come. This is a technical point. Don't enter it. It's not ready, except you want to trade like those guys. Don't enter it. It might stall a little, but this is our zone. Sure, let me take it out. But guys, are we following? Are we feeling the way the market is moving with our strategy? Are we feeling it? Are we learning? The most important thing for me is the learning. It's coming down. It's coming down. Two to nine is it will not get there. Don't worry. If it gets here and comes somewhere around here, if it touches here, I'm taking my first entry, like you all know. If it touches in between, I'll go in again. My first entry, USD CHF 353 for a call. GJ, hey, leave GJ, guys. It's okay. We've done GJ. USD CHF. Don't go, come back, come back. Keep coming down, keep coming down, keep coming down. Keep coming down, don't do that. It's 10. Calm down, come on. It will come back to retest. That's the first one. Come back to retest, don't worry. Don't worry, let it calm down. So if you take all these kind of trades, 3 minutes, you take them because to come out and retest and you would be having issues. So let it come down to our main zone. If it comes down to the zone we have charted, we'll go in comfortably. Let's see what other thing we can look at. UJ, is it ready? No. USD card, is it ready? No. Just USD CHF is looking ready right now. Let me see NZD USD. Do we chart NZD USD? NZD USD is not ready. Let me just chart it. Just maybe it will come. NZD USD is not ready. It's for a put, but it's not ready. CHF, don't do that, Joe. Push down. Guys, I need to go. So we'll take this as the last idea. So let's wait for the next 3 minutes to see if it pushes down. Don't do that now. USCHF. Come back. Come back to us. So I'm noting this zone down just in case it comes back there. If we test it the second time, then the third time I can go in. But this is our main zone. Don't forget. It will come down, guys. Don't worry. It will come down. I want to check GU now. Let me see something on GU. If there's any reaction, let me just see. I want to just check if there's any reaction on GU. Now. So guys, let's look at GBP card. Do we have GBP card? Yes, we do. It's on our broker. GBP card. He's just trying to it's consolidated already.
USDCHF is no.
USDCHF is there.
It's coming. It's coming.
Okay. All right, guys. Guys, go leave that one. Go to USDCHF. Go to USDCHF. So me, I'll take my first entry here. Pick me out. Can you see this nonsense? See what happened? I took it. It gave me just less than 2 minutes. Why? Because it was already counting down. So what I was supposed to do was just to click on it again before I go in. Right. That's it. It will come back to retest, so don't worry. It will come back to retest. To come back to the test. It has done it once, twice. So if it comes here again, we can go in. If it comes here again, we can go in. But I mean, ultimately, patient traders should just wait. Patient traders wait for the original zone, 353. This guy is ready. This guy is not ready. This guy is getting ready. So only momentum. So this guy needs to touch here. This guy needs to touch here before we can go in. And for you to do this touching, it will have gotten to this point. So let me say Olimi took that trade. I want to clear, even though I didn't enter for my normal time, the usual time. Let's just say it's a bonus for me. but it will come back and retest. So if it comes back, retest, breaks it, it will be very good. It will come here. Once it's inside this box, we will go in. That's already a downward movement. That's already a downward. So let's see. Is there another thing we can look at while we wait? Let's see. Please, this recording is important. You can go back to rewatch this recording. I want to see Euro USD. I want to see. I'm not saying I'm thinking. I want to see Euro USD. It's not even set up. The downward movement, but it's not even set up. So I'll take Euro USD 1 hour. It's here. There's no need. It's not, that movement is not okay. It's not okay. The only strong zone is here, 287. I don't think the market will come there. Let's be waiting for our USD CHF. I should have cleared that one. So let's wait for it again. So I've cleared that one. Let's wait for it. Let me see USJPY. Here's the JPY. Got a new zone. We didn't recharge this one since. So let's really recharge USDJPY. We'll clear USDJPY, guys. Clear USDJPY. Call. USDJPY comes to 060, going on your first entry. USDJPY 060. So within here and here is what I'll take for USDJPY. Guys, can someone write that entry for people? USDJPY 6060 or below. Let me see USD card. USD card 2 needs to be recharted. New zones. USD card. If it comes here, we go in. That's it. It's strong. So USD card as well. If it comes to this box, guys, we're having extra ideas, new ones. So all we want to do is wait. USD CHF. So our main guy we're waiting on. Our zone is still good. Let it come. Let it come. USDJPY, is it coming? USDJPY is almost there, guys. It's almost there. USDJPY is 060. Let me go and get ready for that one. USDJPY 060 for a call. That's pushed up. 060 call. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on it. 060. Okay, let me take first entry here, like I used to just before any other person. So let's see. It will come back. It has not retested at all. So it will come back. Once it touches this place, go in your first entry, 060. Let me see USD card. It's going USD CHF. No, come down. They will come down. So let's do 10 minutes wait, reversal, 30 minutes reversal. We take these 3 ideas and we leave the market for the day. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, 073 reacted there. So let's watch it again. 073 reacted there. Let's watch it again. I expect some push down. Like I expect some push down. Guys, to push down. Don't forget this guy is not ready. This guy is not ready. So don't go into it. Let it come down to our zone. Inside this box, let me draw it to that point. USD JPY. It's coming, guys. It's coming. It will break this zone. When it touches this line, who entered? When it touches this line, you can go in. Let me even say, I forgot I'm in that trade. I'm waiting for it to push down. It needs to break this zone and come into this place. It will come down. To come down. That reaction has to take place. So just maybe to do that before the 30 minutes, and the 30 minutes will take us up. Or it does that on the 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we go. Cleared. Okay, you took it. Okay, that's okay. We took it. See all those kind of trade. I don't trade it though. That's quick trading. Those quick trading. So me, I just took it just to put everybody safe, and I'm on 5 minutes. So if anything happens, I take a roll before anything. So but I know it will push down, break this zone, come below. Yes, it's just on my point. It needs to pull down for us. It needs to pull down for us so we can clear and leave. Let's see. I think it's pulling down. It's pulling down. Pulling down. Pull down if you want to pull down, or stay up if you want to stay up. Let me clear. We'll know what we want to do. So it's stalling within this point, but trust me, it will break this one and come towards this place. So it would enter and get when it does that. Either it does that before the 30 minutes or at the 30 minutes. And after that, it would react. Yeah, true. So I think I'll clear it. The way to push down, it will shock everybody. So let it just clear me first. Can you see it's trying to gather its momentum. So I think I've cleared already. Yep. So we wait for its pull down. So those three ideas, USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF. Let's check NZD USD. Let's reach out NZD USD. Just maybe that will also be ready for us. Okay.
What's the zone for USD CAD?
USD CAD. This is it. 207 to 101. 207 to 101. Anywhere inside this box. 207 to 101. NZD USD. So I have this zone for NZD USD for a put. Anything in between this zone is good. So I'm waiting for it. I'll draw a box as well, NZD USD. And let me color it red. So NZD USD, guys, 879 to 074. 879. It touches 879. I'm in on my first entry for a put. So by then, this guy should have been up. This guy should have been up, and this guy should have been up. USD CHF. So guys, we have 4 ideas. We're waiting on timing. We can clear this for once timing up. I mean, once timing comes. So I believe he wants to wait for the 30 minutes timing. Guys, this recording is so important. Do not let this recording sleep you. Go back, rewatch it, let it make sense to you. I'll share the link on the group as well. Share the link once it's done.
Sheesh.
What?
NZD.
Which one was sheesh?
NZD is going, it's coming.
NZD is coming. All right, let it come. Let it come. So we need to come touch this our zone, enter our box, and we go in. Then USJPY, let me see where you're at. Guys, USJPY is coming. It's coming. USD card, let me wait. Let me see you. It's not ready. Here's the CHF. Let me see. It's not ready. So USJPY is the closest. It's coming, guys. It's coming. It's coming. USJPY is coming. So I want to take my first entry on USJPY again. 0.75 I will take. It needs to come back down. Neka, did you go in again? Remember, this zone is not, it is inside this box. Let it touch our original zone. 0.60, 0.60. You need to touch 0.60. The reason why we are leveraging on it is because the difference, the strength difference is so much. That's why we're leveraging. Normally, you take it here, you'll be speaking in tongues. So let it come, touch our zone. Right, I'm waiting for it. I'll wait. Patient trader, wait. 0.60, I'm in on my first entry. Okay, to make us stay safe, where is it again? Is this it? Yeah. Okay, 0.73. Let me complete my timing. So I take 0.79. I took 0.79. It will break it, oh guys. Don't worry, to break it, to break it. It's coming. It's coming. 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. These 4 ideas will clear them. So long as it gets to our zones, we'll clear them. Once it gets to our zones, we'll clear them. UG, react for us.
So first entry at 0.61.
First entry, guys. First entry, everybody. First entry. So me, I'm taking that as my second entry now. All right. Can you see the way it's pulling down? It will get to somewhere here and react. Let's see other ideas. USD card. Let me see where you are.
Jesus, what happened?
Happened to what?
My timing was like, oh my God.
It didn't click. It didn't click. You know, I mentioned that again, even while I was doing mine. It didn't click. You need to click it first. Shit. Because you're already on that place.
Take 1 minute. Oh my God, I refreshed my page.
Oh, so sorry. Log back in, take another entry, put your 5 minutes. Log back in, take another entry, put your 5 minutes. It's on a lower zone. So market will pull up very soon. And you see, that weight he waited was really too much. So it will break it. So it will start soon. Let me see if I want to take a third entry. Let me see. The 30 minutes candle. Okay. So guys, what you need to do now is manage your trades. If you take a lower entry at 0.02, that's okay. If you're not taking your second entry, take your second entry at 9, that 99 area, 99999, whatever, 000, 012, 011. Take your second entry now. It's currently at 98 something. Please take your second entry. Then now you have two entries. What you want to do is manage these trades. Please manage these trades. What you want to do is manage these trades. So on my first entry, which is higher than every other person, I'm watching to take my first rule. So once market gets towards this place, I'll take my first rule. See, it's in our box. So
sorry, please, can you increase the time and roll?
You said?
When you roll, will it give you your original time, or you can
take a roll? It will give you your original time. When you click it, before you take it, it will give you your original time. So make sure you click it first.
No, can I change? I took the trade in 1 minute.
No, you have to go and change it to 5 minutes. No, go and change it to 5 minutes. Yes, change it to 5 minutes. So I'm on my first rule on my
I beg, check this whether I don't lose strength. I beg.
Let me see. Let me see. I'm not sure he lost any strength.
The strength is
market
good.
reaction is just reversal. It's market reaction, just reversal. So please manage your trades. Manage your trades. Taking my first rule on my first entry. We all have two entries. So if you've not taken your second entry, it's better for you.
It keeps giving me
a lower time.
Yes.
That means something is wrong. It's not supposed to give you a lower time. If you click and refresh, I've taken one rule on my second entry as well. I have 3 entries. If you have 2 entries, do not take a third one. If you have only 1 entry, you can take a third one where it is. It's currently on 933. It moved down too much. It moved down too much. It will pull back up. So it broke our zone, but it's still inside now. It's inside our, what's it called now? This is a third place, and this is really too far. See, this guy is ready. This guy is not ready. But trust me, we are good. We're good. It will reverse. It's just normal market reaction. Strength is the same. Everything is the same.
I'll lose one because I couldn't roll.
Yeah, you can take an entry. If you've not taken a second entry, 890 is very good. 890 is very good if you're not taking a second entry. So I'm taking my rule on my third entry, right? I'll take my rule on my third entry. I will not let any of it trade go. I'll take 2 if I let it go. If I don't clear
I've
it,
taken 2 rolls. And
a new entry, you will have let that one go because it took lesser time.
Oh God.
Just take a new entry on this lower zone.
Lost my 2.
That's because you took trade for 1 minute. Please, let's also always watch that thing. You might just refresh. You don't know, forgot to leave to do the what's it called timing appropriately. So please, you want to take a lower entry if you're not taking your second entry. Only 2 entries, guys. If you're taking the third entry, it's on you. But
can I take another one now that I lost the 2?
Yeah, you can take it. It's a very good zone now. Strength is still the same, guys. Nothing has changed. It's just reversal, but the reversal was too strong.
Please, what's the entry, please? I just got in.
Enter where it is right now. USJPY, where it is, 897. Enter where it is for a call. Enter where it is. Enter where it is. Market will push up. It will gather itself and push up. It's just market reversal. Call. This guy has broken our zone too far. So it needs to react already. 34. Okay, let's see what happens in the next 1 minute. So I'm watching the trade. I want to take a rule, second rule, second entry. Let me see when it gets to somewhere here. I took another entry, but that's me. Please stay with your 2 entries. Stay with your 2 entries. Sticking to the reason why I know it to come this low is because of the way it stalled where it was supposed to move. When it was supposed to move, it was stalling too much. So I knew it would pull down very badly. Well, guys, please watch it. We'll clear. Please watch it. We'll clear. So let me see which am I taking a roll on.
And I roll on my 973 entry.
Yeah, roll on your 973 entry. 973 is good. Roll on your 973. So if I will let the trade go, I'll let my very first entry go. But I already took another entry down, which will cover for that. So let's see what happens in the next. It's already 35, so let's expect a push up. I'm not rolling on my first one. I took only 1 rule. If I take 2 rules, I will clear, but I'm already taking something to cover for that. So let's watch it, guys. Let's watch it. Market push up. I hope we've not taken lesson already, guys. I hope we've not taken lesson. It's coming.
I took
Lost
two
your two
lessons.
entries. Your two entries that you lost. I'm talking of, what's his name? Joshua. What's up? Why? Why? You couldn't take roll or what?
I took two losses also. I rolled twice for 3 minutes.
Twice, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? You took lesson twice. You wrote 3 minutes, I guess.
Yeah, I did 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's all right. It's okay. You will have taken a lower entry, honestly. I'll have told you to take a lower entry, but I thought your two entries are still there. I thought your two entries are still there. So I'm watching these trades. I'm watching these trades. I'm watching these trades. I'm watching these trades. I'm watching them. See which I want to take roll on. Can't roll this trade, so I need it to push up. So my very first entry, I'm letting that go. I'm not taking a roll on that one. So, but these two should clear. I need it to just push up. I don't know why. Lost one, couldn't roll last minute. Okay. Let me see where we are. We're already in our zone now. It's already back to our zone. So I need it to push up. I need to push up. I need to push up, keep pushing up. It's already back to our zone. Push up. So that was just market play out. Everything was good. Analysis was good. It just took time, and now it's reacting. So I'll watch it to the end. I'll watch it to the end. I'll watch it to the end. Let me see what's happening with JPY. Guys, we'll clear this trade if you manage it. If you clear this trade, we'll manage it. USD just needs to push up. JPY is still down. So I've taken one lesson already. Cleared second entry, okay. Cleared second entry, all right. 6 on 1.
JPY added 1 bar.
JPY added 1 bar. Oh, wow. You shouldn't have done that. Okay, guys, no worries, no worries. It has even pulled past our zone. It's okay. If you took a lesson, it's okay. Market played out on us. Market played out on us. Let me see if I cleared this one. If I clear one, I took 4. I've lost 1. So, okay, I clear 1. I don't know what magic he wants to do to pull up beyond this point, but let's see. I just want to watch it to see how it plays out. We'll count it as a lesson. Don't worry, guys. We'll count it as a lesson. But we took 2 entries, which is fine. Which is fine. Beyond the clears and the lessons is the knowledge that we've gotten today for me. Beyond the clears and the lessons, right? So let me see. Guys, let me see your scores. Taking 2 lessons. I lost this one as well. This guy gained strength, which took us off balance. But guys, all our stuff is correct. This thing will still react. Okay, what I want to do something. Guys, watch me. I want to take another entry. I want to take another entry on this USD JPY. Let me see. I want to take another entry on this USD JPY. If it comes down to this 862, I want to take another entry just to validate something. So I need to come down there. I'll take another entry for a call. If it does, I will. So that, let me see what happens with USD card. Can you see? It's JPY. USD is still the same way it was with card. Let me see CHF. CHF has come into our box and gone up, where we are too engrossed with what we're taking, so we didn't check it out. If it comes back to retest inside our box, we'll go in on USD CHF. It is JPY that added strength. USD did not lose strength. So this is still correct. If it comes down back to this 344 where we tested inside our zone, we can go in on USD CHF. Even our NZD USD got into our box and reacted. So guys, you see that our analysis are correct. What happened was with JPY, and because JPY gained strength. Do we get it, guys? If it pushes up into this NZD USD, pushes up into this point, we'll go in again. This USD JPY, let me see. I want to very validate something. Okay, so I want to go in on USD JPY. I want to go in. Let me see if it will gain another strength. Let me just reduce my equity because I'm just trying to test. Not USD CHF, USD JPY. Come on. JPY. So let me go in at this zone 588. Sorry, it's 58. I mean, now USD CHF. Let me see USD CHF. Guys, it's coming to our zone again. USD CHF, guys. You want to go in for a call. Validate the strength again. USD CHF. All right. So we are still the same way, USD CHF. So I'm going in on my first entry on USD CHF. I entered USD CHF at 338. Let me know where you entered USD CHF. Guys, let me know where you entered USD CHF. Let me know where you entered. Anywhere inside this box is good. It's currently on 334. You want to take it. You want to take it. 45 minutes is coming. This guy is ready. This guy is ready. This guy is ready. Hope you took it. Let me know if you took it. I need to know if you took it. I need to know if you took it. USD card. See where it is. Let me see NZD USD. NZD USD, if it comes back to this zone, we'll go in again. That's 920. Let me put a line there. 920 for a put. If it comes back there. Here's the CHF. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. We'll clear it. Nothing has happened to CHF. Let me see. CHF. It's still 3 bars. It's gain 1 bar. It's gain 1 bar. It's gain 1 bar. Why are these guys flipping right now? Anyways, I'm still in it, watching for the 45 minutes reversal. Let me take one entry already. But we'll clear that one. On timing, we'll clear, definitely. Even if it breaks it, on timing, we'll clear. It gained 1 bar. I took another entry at 295, but we'll clear. This one, I've forgotten it. Here's the JPY. See? We'll clear as well. US JPY came down to 736. I entered at 858, over 100 pips. Let's see. Let's watch it. USD CHF. If you're on USD CHF, take your role if you're not in profit. But we'll clear at the reversal. We'll clear. So please watch the trade, guys. Watch your trades. We'll clear. Let me see if I need to take rule on this USD JPY. USD JPY, push it already. Let me not need to take rule. Push it. Let me take the rule. No sentiments. I take the rule. Even if it's so close, I take the rule. No sentiment with rollover. Here's the CHF. Here's the CHF. Do I need to take a roll? Let me see. Are you pulling up right now? Take the rule, my first entry. Take the rule. Take the rule, don't worry. Did we take second entry as me? We're going to clear, guys. We're going to clear. We're going to clear. So just watch that trade. We're going to clear. Let me know what's happening on your end. Let me see your entry point. If you took a second entry like me as well, let me know. 6-1 is a very good score on a training session. On a training session, so good. We lost one trade, that was USD JPY, and that was because of the strength JPY gained. JPY gained strength, but I'm still on that trade, and I will clear. $7-1 cleared. USD CHF picked me at 313. 313. 313. I mean, see where me I am. I mean, don't you get it? I'm on 338. I enter higher entries than anybody just to make everybody relax and say, okay, yes, if it's clearing, I will clear. So on my USJPY, I'm now in profit. Very mad thing. Very mad thing. It got to this point. 735. I entered 758, over 100 pips, but it's still going. Now my USD CHF is also in profit, the two of them. Can you see? So don't worry, you will clear. I'm done for the day. Yes, of course. That's enough. That's enough. This is the last trade, guys. When we exit this trade, that will be it. We've done well already, and we've gotten educative lessons. So let's see. I'm going to watch it. We'll clear it. Let me see where I am. I need that big push up, big one. It's 48. So let's wait for the next 2 minutes to see what happens. 8-1. Good. Please put your scores on the free Telegram group. Put your scores on the free Telegram group. Put your scores on the free Telegram group. Nick, I put it on the free Telegram. You put it on the main, what's it called? Put it on the free Telegram group, please. Put it on the free Telegram group, please. Everybody, put your scores. Everybody. We'll clear. Don't worry, we'll clear. Market can be like that. We'll clear. Second entry cleared. So USDJPY over 100 pips. Over 100 pips. So funny, but it's okay. Cleared UC. Good. So I'm waiting on my first entry on UC, which I'm in profit. If I'm in profit, everybody's in profit. Just always know that. If I'm in profit, everybody's in profit. So it's UJ. UJ turned its back on us. UJ is my favorite pair. He always pays me. Guys, can you see? He reacted inside our zone. The reason why I knew it would do that, it would pull down greatly, is because he stalled too much. So I know the fall down will be mad. And now, see, it's going up, is also swift. So guys, that's the strategy. You can go back to watch this video, this recording. It will help you. I need this push up because I want to clear this one as well. I want to clear it as well. Oh, I'm still on USDJPY. Wow, I forgot. USDJPY, push up. I need this push up so I can clear this too. I need the push up. Everybody should clear UC. Everybody should clear UC. 6 on 2. Please put your scores in the free Telegram group. Everybody should clear UC. Can you see? Broke our zone up. We'll clear, guys. We'll clear. Please just put your scores on the free Telegram group while you leave. Then go back to this recording to watch it. It will be on YouTube in the next 2 to 3 hours. Nika, please put your scores on the free Telegram group. So I'll clear the USD JPY as well and the USD CHF. Everybody should clear USD CHF. Everybody should clear USD CHF. Please, I want to see your scores. I want to see your scores, guys. I want to see your scores. I want to see your scores. I want to see your scores. Everybody drop it on the free Telegram group. Drop it. Drop it on the free Telegram group. Analysis does not lie. If you do analysis, you'll be fine. I didn't plan to take any lesson on this session, but JPY went away on us. And it took too much time before it came back. And that's why we took lessons. And most people took it 2 entries. Me, I took it 4 entries. So, but it's no problem for me. Big comeback. I'll still withdraw by tomorrow. Trust me. So, guys, that'll be the end of this session. That'll be the end of this session. Please put your scores on the Telegram group before you leave, the free Telegram group. All right, guys, I'll go ahead to end the call. That's how to chat. That's how to read Tradingview, do your technical analysis. That's how to do it. All you just do is watch the video again. You get a better understanding. All right, guys. Thank you so much for believing in us. Thank you so much for trusting us. Remember, the 2 and free is still valid. Bring your guys to join us. Guys, you will get your next month free. We need to grow this community. All right. So, guys, we go again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.